Hello, this is Somayyeh. I'm from Iran and I'm 38 years old. I'm a commercial director of oil and gas trading company with 15 years of experience. I'm married and I have one daughter. Actually, such courses is related to my job experience. I'm in sales and marketing. So it can be added value to my job experience and more success even with your certificates, and it's international. And also creating a job in business in Canada would be an advantage. So whenever I want to move to Canada and if I want to start business, I have enough knowledge about it because of your courses.
So what is the most interesting, the best memory that you have for Toronto School of Management and for the executive training workshop?
The first thing I can say is about the teacher, the professor you brought, Ken, and the way of his teaching was totally interesting, and the knowledge actually he transferred, and your classes were so structured as well.
Thank you, Somi. And what about Toronto? What's your most memorable thing about Toronto besides the weather?
Actually, because of the classes, I couldn't go around, but we visited. I mean, with your team, Niagara Falls. That was quite interesting to me because always it was my wish to visit Niagara Falls. That was so beautiful. Although the weather was so cold, but I really enjoyed that.